What we're going to do for the afternoon session is go, I think, 1 or 2 level down, okay? Because we're going to talk about primarily regarding process. It is important that you have a strategy in mind, okay? That means that your organization's goals and objectives have to be clear. I think Dr. Beng, on her field of expertise, definitely talk about mission and vision. Right? Where do you want to bring your organization? Where do you want it to be a few years from now? But to reach that goal and objective, you need, of course, to do something. You need your process to support or to be in place to achieve that goal and objective. For instance, I would recall what Dell did for the computer industry. Before them, computer came in pretty much fixed packages. The customers cannot order a computer package according to what they want. So Dell actually broke that kind of a model, and then the customer could actually say, I want this kind of a CPU. I want this kind of a monitor. I want these specs in my computer. Okay. And Dell promised to deliver a computer package according to how the customers wanted it. And for them to do it, because their goal and vision was actually to service those customers in that way, they had to put in a process that would support that goal or objective. So they had to come out or design a very flexible and a very agile assembly process. So as the customer's order would come in with the following specs, they could easily put in the parts that the customers were asking for, okay, form it into a whole set of PC and have it delivered quickly to the customers. So they had this vision that they wanted to give customers the choice. They wanted to give the customers the capability or the privilege of having their computers customized according to what they desire. But to arrive at that particular goal or objective, they had to put that certain process in place. So that is what I want to primarily discuss about in our afternoon session. We have pretty much or a lot on our plate. I'm going to start off with business process management, okay? Because I want to impart that what we do in our work, even in our daily lives, are all about process. And this process would need to be managed.